Hello mga ka-SCIS, mainit na mainit ang issue tungkol sa cheating kung saan ang involved ay si Maris Racal at Anthony Jennings. Naglabas kasi ng screenshot ng usapan ni Maris Racal at si Anthony Jennings, ang girlfriend nito, kung saan ay pinagkakaguluhan nga ngayon sa social media. Lahat ng usapan nga ni Anthony at Maris ay isinapubliko at marami ang nagbas ngayon kay Maris na naging dahilan upang ang isang endorsement niya ay bitawan na itong si Maris. Narito nga ang pahayag ng Dazzle Me. At Dazzle Me, we have always been about inclusivity, authenticity, and making the right choices even when they are tough or uncomfortable. These values are at the heart of the brand and in everything we do. After thoughtful consideration, we have made the difficult decision to end our partnership with Maris Racal. Working with her has been an amazing journey. Her energy, humor, and authenticity resonated deeply with our vision of a bold and inspiring Gen Z icon. However, we determined that moving in a different direction is necessary to remain consistent with the principles that guide our brand. As we move forward, may we also to take this moment to advocate for kindness and empathy within the online space. Dazzle Me remains dedicated and encouraging everyone to make choices rooted in chosen values and principles. Thank you for your understanding and supporting the values that make us bold, boundless, and beautiful. So yan nga ang pahayag ng Dazzle Me sa pagbitaw nila bilang endorser si Maris. So mga ka-SCIS, yan nga po ang ating balitaan. At kung inyong naibigan, put your comment down below. At syempre, huwag kakalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe.